Why we did the review? Why we did the review? So we decided to do this interview because we wanted to see. Not an interview. My bad. Cut. We decided to do this interview. Cut. Okay. Ma. Alright.
I ain't been up on the block in a minute. I been missing out the walk with the minute. I been building all the blocks like a minute. Elliot got water dripping out the ceiling. Oh my God, boy he got it block. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sip and walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. I let go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that hoe on go. Yeah she like to go.
Okay, do it together. Welcome to Urbangurlz. Hey guys, you finally made it in front of the camera.
Look at us. Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
How you doing? How y'all doing? You just want to say hi to YouTube now, so we about to take it drunk. Alright, eyebrows on fleek. Doing this review on nails on a budget. Because you know we wanted to see what the difference was when you don't go to the salon. So this is a do-it-yourself review on Impress versus Kiss. So guys, while we are on our way to get the nails for you guys, we decided to go stop and vote because it's very important, especially around this time. We're not playing no games. Okay, so we already voted. Please go and vote. Stop being lazy and go do what you gotta do. We don't got time for all of that. You gotta get this money. Not on my watch. So we're gonna go to the Target to see what these Kiss nails is about after we just finished voting. Oh, you oh, yo, you already know. Oh no, it's blurry. No. Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I voted for my boy Joe.
24 hours later.
So, we apologize for the inconvenience. Yesterday we were supposed to go and get the nails, and we got sidetracked. Because our brother came down from New Jersey, and we barely get to hang out with him, so we was like, you know what, let's go hang out. I took off my old acrylic nails. Look at my nails, look dusty. My sister's here. She's having a conversation. She's gonna come in the camera in a minute. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get the nails right now. My brother has a flat tire. These flat tires, not cute. My son is frustrated. It's on still at it right now. Flat face is called. This is the face of the stress face. Did you see hi to the camera today? Hello people. It's been a rough morning. Yeah, so far so good.
2 hours later.
Gotta let go when think he was holding me. Choose the rest, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm and feel with a smile. I still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days never through my mind. Help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, can't do it.
Hey. Okay. Oh. Alright. Hey. So we're here for the Kiss nails. Has varieties. It's little, very little. It's not a huge variety of nails. It's not Kiss though. Yeah. This is called Impress, guys. Okay. And we try to like, we can always look them up. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's what in fact we did do. So we went on the Impress website and I was really impressed with Impress. We were very impressed. They had different varieties. They even had holiday season nails, which was so cute. Look at it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Definitely love the presentation for sure. Very, 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 very impressing. So you see price points. They tell you what's in stock, what's trending, Halloween connection. I really like that second one. See, they even have some prices as low as $6.30, guys. So just to remind you, these are press-on nails. Press-on nails are very different from glued-on nails. We're gonna jump into the Kiss website so you can see the alternative and the difference. Good varieties. Love the style. We've got pointy, we've got almonds, we've got square, all the same price point, kind of. I would say Kiss, it's just a slight bit higher in price points, but don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, as we said, the Kiss are glued on nails and Impress are press-ons. There is a difference. Press-ons are the ones that you press onto your nails, necessarily don't need any glue. It comes with adhesive glue on top of it already, and then the Kiss comes with a glue kit and so forth. So with that being said, our conclusion is that Kiss is more expensive because it has more within its packaging. So now we're gonna jump right into what we actually picked. That's like similar to the one that we saw on the website. Yeah. We've got these matte ones. These matte ones right here. It's not too bad. It's perfect for Halloween. I ain't gonna lie. But and then then we got the French tips, the original. Those are the toes. Bad gals.
But these are cute too. From Impress. You like these?
These are cute. They're not bad. Yeah. I think Impress Nails is giving more than
Kiss.
We have a competition here, y'all.
Yeah.
We have a competition.
I'm gonna go with this one because it has marble. I'm a glitter girl and I'm more on the edgy side. I like pointy nails, so I'm gonna go with this.
Let me tell y'all something. Y'all disappointed because I thought that was gonna have Target's right. I was gonna have a lot of options, but obviously this is not giving. I don't like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick these ones. The Chantel picked the Impress, which is in competition with Kiss. Well, we're gonna try
in
both
this specific Target.
Yeah, because Target is not giving. I don't know what they on, but they ain't on nothing right now. All right, so we're gonna get back to you guys. We're gonna go home, put these on, and it's gonna be lit. Okay. So we're here. You guys can see we got the Kiss and we got the Impress, showing you guys utensils that we're gonna use to apply our nails. Instructions in the back for Kiss. Very descriptive. Same thing, instructions in the back, and we've got 2 filers, we've got some witch hazel, and we're about to get to work.
I'm a little boy that go out, wait. I'm a little boy that can, wait. I'm a little boy that go out, wait. I'm a little boy that can, wait. They wanna see me on top, wait. They wanna see me a bed, wait. They wanna see me on top, wait. They wanna see me a bed, wait. They wanna see me a bed, so I just let. I'm on the top of the goats, I'm on the top of the pros, I'm on the top of the coach, I'm on the top of the coach. Yeah, it's Kylie smelling me, yeah, smoking Penelope, yeah, the bitch with the spell of me, yeah, she gave me some melody, yeah, gave me some melody, give me some melody. T-I-T-I-B, yeah, just like a spelling bee, yeah, I run through that chick, yeah, bitches be telling me, yeah, you was just a thought, bitch, bitches be telling me, yeah, I can't for what else, bitch, I know they be telling you, yeah. I dropped low, then I came up. I went out, then I.
So we decided to do this review because it's been kind of trendy that people have been wearing stick-on nails, press-on nails, whatever you want to call it. I have a few friends that are really onto it. My mom, we saw she was on it too, and you know, they have some really cute ones. Some of them even look like you went to the nail salon. The most you'll pay is like $12 for a pack of Kiss or Impress. Impress was a little bit more cheaper than Impress. Kiss was on kind of like the $7 to $8 budget. We're gonna put it up right here. Yeah, and Kiss was on a like $12 budget. Sierra, what's your rating? What do you? So I'm gonna give Impress a 7.5. So I'm giving it a 7.5 because we're gonna talk about the pros. It's very pretty, good selection, good price point, but literally 5 minutes after it was pressed on, they were already flicking off. Yeah. Okay, so I had to use the glue, I probably wouldn't have had them on already. Like literally right after that I put them on, they were off. So that's why, that's the main con to Impress. When you use the glue, what do you think? Like, what was the outcome of that after? Like, did it stay out? Yeah. After that, like, you know, it's been an entire day and they're still on, so that's good. But that was the only thing. So what's the rating that you're gonna give it? For the Kiss set for $12.99, I'm giving this Kiss set a 7.5. Yay! It's getting a 7.5 due to the fact that it keeps coming off like every minute. Yeah, but like you see how it's moving. Yeah, you guys see that, like, and it's just and then look at this one. There we go. So yeah, Kiss, you doing bad. Y'all doing okay. Y'all have nice nails. It's pretty, but it's not for everyday thing. To me, it's unhealthy. I'm trying to keep on the healthy side of everything due to Urbangurlz, and that's what we try to promote. And I just feel like the fact that we have to keep putting on that glue on our nail, and then we have to keep gluing it, and it's just not staying on. I just feel like it's too much, you know? So that's just my thing about it. I mean, it's cute. Do it for one night. You pay like $10. You want to do that, then you do that. But to me, I would just rather go to the salon and get it done. And yeah, come on. For people who's rough like me, that's rough-handed, you know, we can't do this. So this is not for everybody. Durability, if you're looking for durability, this is 1.5 weeks tops. That's the difference between the nail salon and some clip-ons. Other than that, I'm impressed. Did a whole price line drop from $20 to under $20. So you pay for what you get. Yeah, you do. That's the conclusion. You pay for what you get, man. That's really what it is. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a long ride. It was really fun doing this video. Yes. I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, please, so that we can be share, like, subscribe. I really want to all the whole 9 yards. You know, I really want to keep seeing Shantae and Chantel. You gotta do what you gotta do. Tune back into Urbangurlz. Okay. Follow my Instagram. It's gonna be changed, and her Instagram is personal Instagram at Chantelly. I'll send it on there on the bar. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. This my type of living. Pulled up in that drag car and start spinning. We're gonna try that again. Start spinning.